In this video, we will be showing you how to install a replacement cover latch and spring, which is used on our 30 through 200 amp safety switches. Also, please make sure to never work on energized equipment. First, place the cover latch over the tabs located at the bottom of the side of the switch. Next, you will take the spring. Using the long leg first, you will hook it over the tab sticking out the top of the latch. Next, you will loop it around the bottom tab sticking off the enclosure and then pull back on the spring, hooking the other leg around the tab. Now you have the cover latch and spring installed on your safety switch, which allows you to close the cover on the switch. Also, please note that this cover latch and spring may need to be installed on the bottom end wall of some switches.